Hey guys, this is Dr. Tech and welcome back to the channel. It's 2019 and we have an awesome product. You may have heard of it, the Apple Airpods, and they are great. So why are they so great? Well, for one, they have a chip in them that allows them to be effortlessly used when put in your ears. And those chips work in such ways that they will block some sound out when you talk in the microphone. It'll resume the playing when you don't. So it's very, very smart and it knows exactly what it's doing. Most in-ear headphones don't have this, so this is a very good feature about them. They go about $159 right now. You can find them on a sale very rarely, and even if you do, it's just about $10 less than the actual price, so they are a bit on the pricier side. However, they're beautiful and they work very well. So let's do a quick unboxing here, and all we're gonna do is just take them out of their box just like so, and then take this off, and there they are. So we can take them out of their little package. Now I've pre-charged those, so you don't have to worry about them dying on me like I've done in the past with other products. So there's the little case. Very nice, very shiny, very beautiful. And when you take it out, they are encased just like this, so you can actually look at them from the top, and it has a little light that shows whether or not they're charged or are charging. So right now, if you notice, that was green, which means they're fully charged. And I have an Apple phone right here, which is my girlfriend's, and I will show you how easy it is for them to be detected. So you're gonna notice the moment that I flip this case open, just like so, the phone will recognize that the Apple Airpods have been detected. And what they will show you is the percentage that they're charged at, and also the percentage that the case is charged at. Now you may wonder, what does this mean? Why is there two battery percentages instead of just one? Well, that is because the case itself actually charges your headphones or AirPods when you're not using them. And this is very, very good, because normally you get 5 hours of usage out of them, but at the moment that you run out of battery, you can plug them in this case and they charge. So this gives you about 24 hours of usage out of them, because 15 minutes of charging in this case gives you 3 hours of usage from them. And you can charge it so you actually get 24 hours of usage out of them, depending on what you do. So it's really ingenious that they've done this. So yeah, that's all there is for the setup, and it's really simple. As you can see, you just hold them to your phone, they connect, and they show exactly like you want them to show. Now let's talk about some features. One cool feature about these are that it detects automatically when they're in your ear. They detect automatically once you take them out of your ear, which means that it will stop the music or the video playing automatically, and it will detect immediately once it's back in the ear. For example, if you were to take it out and put it inside your ear, it will make this sound like plung. It's like a little noise that it makes, and it'll tell you that it's actually connected. It's the same thing with the other one. So as soon as you plug them both in, it'll detect that both are in, and it'll start playing from both. So if you want to listen together to some music or some video with somebody that you care for, maybe like a friend or a wife, fiance, whoever it is, all you got to do is just pop up in the case, take the other one out, and just hand it over. And there you go. As soon as they plug it into their own ear, the music will start playing for both of you, or the video. So it's really easy and it's really great. One thing I need to also mention is the sound quality. It is so good. Like I did not expect this, because they're very small, so you would expect the sound quality to be very minimal because of the device the device itself, because it's small and it has small parts, so I didn't expect much. Let me tell you this, they sound so clear. It's like you're wearing one of those over-the-ear headphones and you're engulfed in the sound. Somehow the sensors work very well to block out noise if it needs to, so it works really great. How I know this for a fact is that my girlfriend never stopped putting them down from the moment she got them. Every single day I see them being put in her ear, being used for more than 2-3 hours, so she really loves them. She was hesitant about buying them or me getting them for her, but I said, baby, you need these. This will be great for you, because she uses them from work to entertainment to whatever it is, she just uses them. And we listen to a lot of things together, which makes it really easy to do. So we're enjoying that time together. Okay, so if you've noticed, that was very easy to set up, it was very easy to use, and the simplicity of these AirPods is what makes them so unique. People love them because you can easily plug them into your phone, you can easily charge them, you can easily manipulate them any way you want to, and they'll do the job. They're very smart, despite the minimalism, they're very smart. They have an actual chip in them, as I mentioned before. Now, the only thing I did not mention is some of the features. Like, for example, if you have it into your ear, you double tap it, then immediately it goes to Siri. So now the little Siri noise was activated inside the headphones, and then you can talk to it and you can say, call whoever, schedule this appointment, remind me of this, start timer, and you don't even have to take out the phone from your pocket. And the reason you can do all this is because it has sensors on the AirPods themselves. There's an inner sensor and an outer sensor. These sensors do various things, like if you were to talk in the microphone, you'll block out the outside noise. It actually muffles it so you can more clearly talk to the person. If you tap it, it has a sensor for you to activate Siri, and all these other functions are available because of how smart they are. Downsides with them is that they are pricey. I think outside of everything else, that is the only downside, that they're pricey. You do pay for what you get, and I think that they probably are the best wireless headphones you can get for the money. The only problem is some people, when they get them, their ears don't fit them that well. So if you are planning to use this with exercise, a lot of movement where they can fall out, if you don't have the right type of ear, these may not be easy to use. But don't worry about that, because there's companies that actually mold little skeletons that you can apply to them, and then they'll fit perfectly in your ear. So unless you have the ear too small, if your ear's too big, it can be fixed. What else can I say? It's just a great product. I really recommend it if you can afford it. Not really great to wait around for a deal, because you barely find a deal on them, and also it's really hard to find. They got a stock very fast. Mostly if you want to get them, you need to find an Apple store and really get them the same day, because usually they get a limited amount and sell out the same day. So I tried to buy my girlfriend a pair, but I couldn't find it anywhere. I looked at Best Buy, Newegg, Walmart, you name it. They were out of stock at the time when I looked, which was around the holiday season. So I had to wait, and once we went to the Apple store, I actually found a pair. And even then, there were 20 in stock, and by the time we decided to buy one, there were only 4 left within the 30-minute span, so they go very fast. Okay, so that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, Apple Airpods, probably the best wireless headphones anybody can buy. Thanks for watching. This was Dr. Tech. Please subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in the next video.